my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just finished creating this look and I had so much fun doing it. I'm really happy with the smoky eye, so I thought, okay, let's just sit here and give a quick review of some nude lipsticks that I recently purchased. This is a very impromptu decision, so it's gonna be a little bit quick. I wanted to talk about these two lipsticks that I got from Makeup Revolution. I got them here in Switzerland for 5 francs, but they retail, I think, around £6 each, which is fairly priced. I have these in 2 shades, Teddy and Rosy. The one that I'm wearing right now is Teddy, and I think the packaging is really cute. They have like these rose gold bullets, and you have the Revolution logo here, so it's kind of sleek packaging for the price that you pay. The cap is quite sturdy, so that's good if you want to put this in your purse. Then there's definitely, it's not gonna like open and spoil. So this is what the lipstick looks like. It's absolutely matte and it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. I have used this lipstick without a lip balm and also with. Today I had a little bit of Dr. Pawpaw underneath because the weather is extremely cold and my lips have been quite dry. So I do have to exfoliate my lips, but that's just a rule of thumb. It's not just because I'm using this lipstick. In general, I do have to exfoliate my lips quite a bit these days. Otherwise, you can't really see them cracking your lips. If you have dry lips, it might be a little bit on the drier side for you because these are 100% matte lipstick. There's a little bit of transfer initially, but later on it doesn't transfer that much for a bullet lipstick. And also sometimes I feel like it comes on the mask, but just a little bit, not too much. And the shades are nude. They have a lot of nude shades here, but they go on like a dream. So that's just like one swipe and that's the color payoff. It's absolutely, it goes on like a butter, and that's something that I absolutely love about these lipsticks. It's very smooth. The color payoff is extremely good. So if you've got pigmented lips like I do, they have a good coverage, so you won't be bothered and you won't feel like you'll have to apply too much. Now this is the shade Rosy, which is a little bit deeper. It's like sort of a nude deep pink color. I think the shade Teddy over here is very nude for me. This is not my liking. I just have used this because I have a very smoky situation with the eyes, and then I wanted something which is extremely nude, and that's why I went on with Teddy, but usually I reach out for Rosy more. Teddy is a shade which is more on the nuttier brown mauve side, so this would be a beautiful nude color for medium skin tone, and any skin tone range that goes lighter than medium, then Teddy would be beautiful. And Rosy might be bright for a nude lipstick for light, fair to medium skin tone. And if you go darker than medium skin tone, then this would be a perfect nude lipstick for the deeper skin shades. I was thoroughly impressed by the staying power of these lipsticks because I did not expect them to do that much. To be very honest, I picked this up because it was on sale, and I think I paid around, like I said, 5 or maybe even less. Maybe it was like 4 Swiss francs that I paid. And I just got new lipsticks because I have a lot of reds, and sometimes when I am doing a very heavy smoky eye, I also wanted to explore the nude lipsticks just because it is very subtle, and sometimes I just want the comfort of a nude lipstick. So this is, I wouldn't say this is like a lipstick which is like my lips but better, but it still feels like I have a lipstick on. And like I said, I would reach out to Rosy more than Teddy, but everybody has their own preferences when it comes to nude lipsticks. The formula is amazing. The staying power is good. I had Rosy on today the entire day. It's actually now evening. I think around 7 o'clock in the evening. I met up with a friend of mine. We went for lunch. I had some cheese bread, some soup, and the lipstick just stayed put throughout the day. Of course, when you're drinking coffee, it doesn't really transfer on the mug, so that's amazing for the price that you pay. And I thought I'll just quickly talk about these lipsticks because a lot of you guys are interested in nude lipsticks, and I mostly talk about red lipsticks, so I thought this would be a good situation. So now this lipstick has been on for maybe 20 minutes. I just freshened up. I changed my lipstick because I was wearing Rosy and then I did this video. So now I'm wearing Teddy, and let's see if this transfers. So there isn't any transfer. It does come off very easily. Right now I just had a cotton pad with some micellar water. So it just came off as quickly as you think it is. These are my natural lips right now during this weather, which is a little bit on the dry side, but I'm not going to apply any lip balm underneath. The times when I'm using like Burt's Bee or something that's a very waxy lip balm, it is a little bit difficult to apply these lipsticks on top of it. But the best thing for me is I hydrate my lips with any lipstick for that matter. I hydrate my lips and then I wipe it, not absolutely clean, but so that there's still like a little bit of lip balm on my lips. And then I go on with the lipstick, especially now during winter. So this is Rosy, and that's one swipe. It is quite a pink shade, and it just goes on like a dream. It's so creamy. The formula is just absolutely gorgeous. And there's no cracks, there's no chipping, there's no pilling at the lips, so that's amazing. There is, now you can see there's a little transfer, but if I let that sit for around 5-6 minutes or 10 minutes, there's going to be no transfer. Talking about the pros and cons very quickly, they don't smell of anything. There's no strong floral smell. You have sensitive nose, it's perfect for you. If you want to try out nude lipsticks and you don't want to invest too much, again, like me, you should definitely give this a shot. Again, if you like matte lipsticks, if you like creamy formula, if you like something that's hydrating, this is not for you. For me, it's just that I like matte, and I also like matte that doesn't dries out my lip, and I don't have to go over and over, because matte bullet lipsticks can be a bit chalky. And this one, like I said, it's just glides on, it goes on like a dream, so that's absolutely perfect. The staying power is good, like I said, they don't transfer as much. So overall, I think I'm really impressed with these lipsticks. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come out with a new video. And also I've put up this makeup look on my Instagram, so go ahead and check that out. I've mentioned all the products that I've used. So have fun watching that. I'm sending you lots of love, and I'll see you all soon in the next video. Bye.